Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. We got some more tool deals for you. These are going to be at Home Depot, and these are going to be the special buys of the day. It looks like they switched them up a little bit here finally. So we'll go ahead and jump in to see what they got. Looks like we got some M12 Milwaukee tools over here. We've got the 2-tool combo kit, which really nice combo kit here, but it looks like they're throwing in the M12 3/8-inch ratchet with this one. This is coming in as the Mother's Day special also, so $249 for this one. Not a bad pickup. You get a couple batteries, soft case, and the charger. 3 tools total, and I gotta tell you what, this ratchet, this 3/8-inch ratchet, I've had it probably for now, maybe 3 to 4 years. Love this. Nice light duty ratchet there. Great combo kit. All right, next up they got the Ryobi HP. So this is a high performance 8 1/4 inch job site table saw. Tool only, no batteries with this one, coming in at $259. And it looks like we got some rigid lights over here. 3 tool combo kit they're calling this, which looks like you're getting 3 lights. Rigid lights, tools only. Unfortunately, no batteries with this one, so you will need some batteries. But nice selection of lights there, work lights, coming in at $129. And then all the way to the right here, we got the DeWalt 8 1/4 inch table saw with the stand, coming in at $329. Nice little pickup there for you DeWalt fans. Jump into some more Milwaukee tools. We got the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 4.5-inch grinder with the 6 amp hour kit. So you get the charger and you get the 2 batteries here, the 6 amp hour batteries. Nice pickup with this. $279 for this one. And then they got the M18 multi-tool. This one's going to come with a couple different batteries. You got the 5 amp and the 2 amp hour battery with the charger. Not a fuel tool. Still pretty nice tool here for $189. And then look at this, guys. Another M12 cordless hammer drill impact driver kit with 2 batteries. You get your charger, your bag. You get the nicer 3/8-inch ratchet here. So this is the fuel ratchet. So definitely a nicer ratchet than the previous combo kit. And you're getting a free gift with this. Of course, they're throwing in another battery. So 2.5 amp hour battery with this one. So you're still getting 3 batteries with this. You're getting a nice 2-tool combo with the nice fuel 3/8-inch ratchet. This one is $289. So I definitely picked this one up for $289 opposed to this one over here for $249. I think that's a pretty nice deal. You're getting the fuel ratchet with that one. A little bit nicer ratchet. So you have 3 fuel tools with this setup. Spending a few bucks more, but I definitely think it's worth it. Then we got another combo deal over here. This is the M18 drill driver. You get the hex impact driver, 1/4-inch hex, 2 of the 2.0 amp hour batteries, multi-charger. You get the Milwaukee bag, but it looks like they're throwing in the grinder also, the angle grinder. $259 for this one. None of these are fuel tools, so just your basic Milwaukee tools on this one. $259 for that deal. Then we got the M18 fuel sawzall, and then we got the 7 1/4 inch circular saw, and this is coming in with the 8 amp hour starter kit. So you get the 8 amp hour battery and the charger. Both of these are fuel tools. Pretty nice tools for Milwaukee. $429 for that combo deal. And we got the rigid 10-inch job site table saw. Says no stand. So no stand with this one. This one's coming in at $279. And then this is one we've seen before. They got the 2-pack of the 10-inch table saws with the stand and everything, coming in at $700. All the way to the right here, got the 1/2-inch impact by Rigid. This is going to be the kit, so it'll come with the 4 amp hour battery and charger. Nice little carry bag, $129. And then we got the brushless 4-mode 1/2-inch mid-torque. This has got the friction ring, 2 of the 4 amp hour batteries with this one, charger in the bag. Pretty nice pickup there. And this one is going to come with 650 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. So nice little mid-torque impact wrench there. This one's going to cost $200. Then this is a nice impact wrench by Rigid. This is their subcompact series. So this is also going to come with the 2 4 amp hour batteries, charger. You get your bag. But this is going to be nice compact impact wrench here. This one's only going to have 250 foot-pounds of breakaway torque, but what you're giving up in foot-pounds, you're getting in size here. It's really nice and compact like this one. This one's also coming in at $200. And then we got a 4-tool combo kit by Rigid. This one's going to come with your drill driver, your impact, recip, 6.5-inch circular saw. You get the 2 amp hour battery, the 4 amp charger, and the tool bag. So these are just your standard Rigid tools. Nothing special about these, but not bad for you DIYers. $239 for this one. And then we got the Ryobi HP 4-mode 1/2-inch impact wrench. This is going to come with the 4 amp hour kit, so you get the battery and the charger. HP battery, of course. This one's coming in at $179, so not a bad pickup with this one. This one's 600 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. I actually own this one, and really nice impact wrench for the price, $179. Really good deal on that one. Next up is the Ryobi HP 3/8-inch impact wrench. This is going to be the kit. You get the 1.5 amp hour battery, smaller charger with this one, coming in at $119. And then they got the 1/4-inch 4-mode. So this is going to be your impact driver. HP 2 batteries. And these batteries are the 2 amp hour batteries. Get the charger, get the bag. $139. We got the 1-inch SDS by Ryobi. This is also an HP, and it's going to come with the 4 amp hour battery for $200. And then all the way to the right here, we got the 1/2-inch hammer drill, tool only. Also an HP for $80. Here's another HP product by Ryobi, the 3/8-inch right angle drill kit. This is going to come with a 1.5 amp hour battery. $120 for this one. Want to pick one of these up, but I'm waiting for a really good deal. But this is the 3/8-inch extended reach ratchet with the 2 amp hour battery and the charger. This is also HP, $169. And then we got the compact cutoff tool kit, 1.5 amp hour battery. Looks like they're throwing in some blades with that one for $120. And then all the way to the right here, we got the DeWalt 15 amp 12-inch compound single bevel miter saw. You get the heavy duty work stand with this one for $300. All right here we got the Atomic combo kit. This is a 2-tool kit, so you get the drill driver and the impact, get a couple batteries, but it looks like they're throwing also in the circ saw. Looks like it's 2 amp hour batteries for $229. And then you get the 10-inch compound single bevel miter saw. You get the stand with that for $319. And then we got some Makita stuff here. So we got a 6-piece kit. So it looks like you're going to get your drill driver, your impact driver, 6.5-inch circular saw, one-handed recip, you get the vacuum, LED light, and then we get 2 3 amp hour batteries, the charger. This is the single, not the dual. And then the tool bag, nice tool bag. And this one's coming in at $400. So pretty much $100 a tool, because I don't consider the vacuum and the LED light really a tool. But so, I don't know, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below about that one. $400, 2 batteries, 3 amp hour batteries. Like I said, I probably wouldn't really use these 2 tools very much. So in my opinion, you're looking at about $100 per tool there. And then all the way to the right, we got the M18 Fuel. This is the 1/2-inch hammer drill driver, coming with 2 6 amp hour batteries, charger. Not a bad pickup, $279. All right, they got some outdoor power equipment here. So we got the HP Easy Clean. This is the 18 volt. I've got the 40 volt, really like it. Did a review on it on my channel. Definitely a nice little easy to use handheld pressure washer. This is coming in at $149, 600 PSI. So great for some light duty cleaning. If you need to clean some patio furniture, maybe some siding, need to wash your car, something like that. These come in really handy, easy to use when you don't want to pull out your full size pressure washer. This is going to be the kit. Comes with a bunch of attachments with this one. Coming in at $149. Next up, we got the HP brad nailer kit. So this is the Airstrike with the 4 amp hour battery, coming in at $189. And then we got the string trimmer / edger with this one. So I've actually owned this one also, and it's pretty easy to use. You just flip it to the side when you want to edge, flip it the other way when you want to just do some string trimming. So 4 amp hour battery with this one and a charger, $100, not a bad pickup. And then all the way to the right here, this is the 13-inch string trimmer, HP. So this is the high performance, no battery with this one, coming in at $109. Another really useful tool. You need to clean up some limbs and stuff around your property. This is the 18 volt 8-inch chainsaw. This is the HP series, so high performance one, coming with the 2 amp hour battery, coming in at $139. You got your pole saw, This is also an HP with the 2 amp hour starter kit for $189. And then we got the HP blower. This is the 510 CFM blower. So nice powerful blower here with the 6 amp hour battery and the charger, $179. And then all the way to the right here, we got the pruning saw with the 2 amp hour battery coming in at $100. You got the HP earth auger, 6-inch bit included, tool only, coming in at $200. And then we got 2 of the 150 watt power sources, and it looks like they're throwing in 2 4 amp hour batteries and chargers. So these are really nice, handy to have around, especially for like a power outage, something like that. This one's coming in at $189. Got some Airstrike brad nailers, the 18 gauge, 16 gauge, $249. This is going to come with 1 of the batteries and the charger. I think this is a 1.5 amp hour battery. Yep, 1.5 amp hour battery that this comes with. So $249 for that one. And then all the way to the right, we got the rigid 18 gauge brad nailer, but this is the pneumatic. So you need a compressor for this one, $80 for that. Got some more nailers down here, a couple DeWalts, and then all the way to the right, we got the M18 inflator. This one's coming with 2 of the 6 amp hour batteries and then the charger, $300 for this one. Got some compressors. Got the pancake compressor here by Rigid, 6 gallon. This is going to come with the 18 gauge brad nailer for $200. And then we got the Porter cable, 6 gallon for $129. They're going to throw in some brad nails with this one. Got the DeWalt hose pack. This is the 1/4 inch air hose, 2-pack, 50 foot for $40. And then we got all the way to the right here. This is a little different. Got the HVAC refrigerant kit for $164.50. Got another refrigerant kit here for $209. Let's go ahead and scroll through some of this stuff. And then we got the Milwaukee all the way to the right here. This is the fuel. Looks like you get the hammer drill, impact driver, 2 of the 5 amp hour batteries, the charger, hard case. And then for Mother's Day, they're also throwing in the blower. $439 for this pickup. And then it looks like we got a couple lights. Got the Milwaukee Gen 2 4,000 lumen rover light. You're going to get a battery with this one. You get the 2 amp hour battery for $124. And then we get the 3,000 lumen pack out light. And this one's also going to come with a 2 amp hour battery. This one's got the built-in charger for $164. Go into some hand tools and accessories. We got some batteries for Rigid. Got the 4 amp hour starter kit, 2 batteries. Got the bag there for $79. Got the Milwaukee Shockwave 1/2 inch deep well pack out socket set, 16 piece, $104.97. Got your router with your 2 batteries and the charger. 2 6 amp hour batteries for this one for $279. And then all the way to the right, we got your dual power tower light. This is also going to come with the 2 6 amp hour batteries and the charger. This one's also going to be $279. Got some Milwaukee hole dozers, 28 piece, $133. Got the pack out, 10 piece for $75. And then we got the carbide hammer drill bits kit, 7 piece for $14.97. All the way to the right here, we got the Milwaukee 32 piece bimetal recip saw blade set, $42. Got the Milwaukee oscillating multi-tool kit, 20 piece for $45. And then we got some Rigid batteries. We got 4 of the 6 amp hour batteries for $249. And then we got a 2-pack of the 8 amp for $200. Got the 2 amp and the 4 amp with the 175 watt power inverter by Rigid for $149. And then we got the buy one, get one for the 2 amps for $69. Not a bad deal. Got some DeWalt batteries, 3-pack of the 5 amp hour batteries, charger, and then the bag for $300. And then we got some saw blades, 3-pack over here for $24.97. Got the Bosch spade bit set for $30. And we got the M18 2-gallon wet and dry vac with the 5 amp and the 2 amp hour battery charger for $183. Got the pack out 2.5 gallon wet and dry vacuum for $179. And then all the way to the right, you got your Milwaukee caulk gun with the 2 amp hour battery for $200. Got some heat guns here. So we got the M18 heat gun with the 2 amp hour battery for $109. And then we got the Rigid That's going to come with 2 of the 4 amp hour batteries, the bag and the charger, for $149. So not a bad pickup there. Got DeWalt digital torque wrench for $239. And then all the way to the right, we got the laser. This is going to come with the hard case and a 2 amp hour battery charger for $579. Got another laser deal here by DeWalt, 280-foot green cross laser, 3 amp hour battery and charger, $698. Got the Milwaukee grease gun that's going to come with 2 of the 6 amp hour batteries and the charger for $279. And then we got another grease gun deal here with the 2 amp hour battery for $179. And all the way to the right, we got the M18 4000 Lumen Rover light. And then they're throwing in the M18 compact inverter. This one's coming in at $129. And that looks like it's about it for the special buys of the day. So finally, they switched it up a little bit since the last time I've done a special buy of the day video for Home Depot. Lots of new tools. Some of them are going to be for Mother's Day sale also, so that's nice. So it'll last longer than just today. So hopefully you guys find some value in the video. Hopefully you guys like these deals. If you do, smash that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you guys get notified when I post my next video. Until the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.